Law of diminishing marginal utility. This law was first given by German economist Gaussen. That is why it is also popularly known as Gaussen's first law of consumption. Remember, there is second law of consumption also, which is Gaussen's second law of consumption. That is law of equimarginal utility, right? This law states that as the stock of goods for consumption increases, the utility derived from it decreases. ठीक है, जैसे जैसे आप गुड्स कंज्यूम करेंगे वैसे वैसे आपकी यूटिलिटी जो है वो डिक्रीज होगी, इसका मतलब ये है. The additional Marshall states that law as the additional benefit which a person derives from a given increase of his stock of a thing diminishes with every increase in the stock that he already has. सिंपल सा मतलब ये कह रहा है कि जैसे जैसे आप गुड्स को कंज्यूम करोगे वैसे वैसे आपकी जो यूटिलिटी है वो डिक्लाइन होने लग जाएगी. अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ ऑफ डी एम यू मतलब लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिन यूटिलिटी, as a consumer consumes more and more units of a commodity, margin utility derived from additional units goes on falling. That is, the utility derived from each successive units falls. ठीक है, so this is how we uh, know, or this is how we get to know about the law of diminishing margin utility. There is an example also in the box. You are hungry, you eat an ice cream. The first ice cream will give you great satisfaction. You have another, you will notice that second one unit of ice cream give you relatively lesser satisfaction. With further consumption of ice cream, utility will keeps falling, may fall to zero, no satisfaction, also may turn into negative disutility. Such a decrease in satisfaction with consumption of an additional units of the same commodity occurs due to law of diminishing margin utility. This is how we नो, और दिस इज हाउ वी रिलेट मार्जिन डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिन यूटिलिटी. जैसे जैसे आप चीज़ों को ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करने लग जाएंगे वैसे वैसे आपकी जो मार्जिन यूटिलिटी है वो डिक्लाइन होने लग जाएगी. सो आई होप दिस यू हैव गॉट इट इन टू योर माइंड दैट व्हाट इज अबाउट लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिन यूटिलिटी.